An installation is a special type of art piece. It's often large, designed to fill a particular space. It can be made with any media and is usually meant to be temporary, or at least portable. In other words, an installation is exactly the opposite of a traditional museum or gallery art display. Another feature that is often a part of installation art is teamwork. Even though the concept may come from one artist, building and placing it may involve a community. Art from many hands is known as collaborative art. If you'd like to explore this type of art with students and community members, here's an easy process that anyone can enjoy taking part in, regardless of age, experience, or ability. It's called a community curtain. It's made up of individual strands that on their own aren't very powerful, but when hung together, they form a bright, colorful wall of art and ideas. So start with a simple cord. Create a loop in the top for hanging. I'll just create a simple knot. Now, each cord will be decorated in a unique and individual manner. One of the must-have items that I put out are tags for writing messages. Provide a theme or question to encourage participants to express themselves with words. And some examples might be to tell us about yourself, who you are, who you want to be, friends, families, likes, dislikes. What are you grateful for? A community curtain can help us connect with one another. Choose a topic and ask participants to describe, why is this important and meaningful? Why is learning important? Art, community, nature. A community curtain can be a strong tool for advocacy. What do you want to happen or not happen? What do you want others to know? A community curtain can give voice to so many ideas and passions. So spend some time creating messages. I like to use these rainbow bright bookmarks because they're pre-cut with a hole already punched. Simply tie on a string or ribbon and attach it to the strand and allow the ribbon to hang off the sides. Messages can also be cut from construction paper into various shapes. And I'm going to use a small plastic-coated wire to twist this one in place, and then kind of curl the ends just to add a little decoration. Space the messages various places along the cord and add some colorful elements to help decorate it too. You can provide participants with all kinds of art and craft materials. So here's a few ideas. Ribbons, bows, pieces of yarn, leftover holiday decor, beads, buttons, pom-poms, tassels, found and recycled items such as faux flowers and plants, discarded jewelry, plastic doodads, and paper, lots of paper, printed paper, tissue paper, construction paper. Have a bin full of paper. It can be cut into shapes to use, folded into origami, joined into chain links, or even shaped into paper flowers. Here is my finished strand, ready to join the other strands as part of our community curtain. Strands can be suspended by paper clips from ceiling framing or grouped together on suspended dowels. A coat hanger can hold a few strands and make it very easy to hang in a group. They can hang indoors or outdoors. Just imagine a community curtain in your classroom or maker space. It could also be part of an event, a festival, or a family project. It could be built over time, evolving and growing. The goal is to complete as many strands as possible to make the installation something to wander through, be inspired, and read personal stories. Enjoy and learn about your community. For more information, visit dickblick.com/lesson plans or scan the QR code to find a lesson plan, materials list, ideas, and teaching standards.